Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the clone stamp over here in the toolbar to do small touch-ups. And so the way the clone stamp works is you select your target layer. And so let's say, just for the sake of this first quick demo, I'm going to go into layer 1. I'm going to hold down Option on my Mac or Alt on my PC and click, and that sets my target. And when I move my mouse over, it's going to recreate all the pixels as I paint, starting with where my mouse was targeting. So let me undo that. The thing that I'm going to try to clean up is the edge of this place where I was hiding the gun with content overfill. So I'm actually going to hide layer 1 and just go hang out in layer 1 copy. So I get my stamp, and I'm going to hold down Option, target, kind of paint over it. Maybe I'll steal some pixels from, hold on, Option, from layer 1, but then I want to hide it and make sure I'm getting, I need to pick an area that's farther away where I'm not going to end up with other junk like the rest of the gun that's actually just covered. It's there. Okay, so layer 1 copy, Option, Alt on a PC, and let's hide this so I can see what's happening. Option, click, paint. You can change your brush size when you do this. So Option, click, paint, Option, click, paint, Option, click. Now if you're masking out something big with a big clean target area, it'll be a little easier. But if I move too far, you're going to see sections of like the original gun. So that's why I'm doing a bunch of little like Option, click, paint, Option, click, paint. And then let's see how it's looking. So there's a little bit of awkwardness down here. I want to probably go into layer 1, grab this background color, smooth that out. And then I think this is going to work out really well.